Go.
Hi everyone, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be creating a amethyst ring with hearts on it. We have our amethyst, we have a couple little tiny seed pearls that are actually like half a pearl, and we've got our stock. We're going to be creating a ring on the silver and then cutting that out and creating like kind of a cathedral-y type of thing to connect everything together to the head. All right, let's get started.